Oh, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to update benefits deductions in Gusto. Now, whether you're switching up your company's contribution or an employee has changed their coverage, Gusto makes it easy to update benefit deductions. Now, let's walk through how to do it. Step 1. Log in and head to benefits. Now start by logging into your Gusto admin account. From the dashboard, just go to benefits and team benefits. Now this section lists all the current benefits that you've set up for your team, medical, dental, vision, retirement, and more. Step 2. Choose the benefits to update. Just click on the specific benefit plan where the deduction needs to be updated, and you're going to see an overview of enrolled employees and their current deduction settings. Step 3. Select the employee. Now find the employee whose deduction you want to change. Click on their name to open their benefits details, and this is going to show their coverage level, current deductions, and any employer contributions. Step 4. Edit deductions. Now just click the edit or update contribution button, and here you can adjust employees pre-tax or post-tax deduction amounts. You can also edit employer contribution amounts as well as frequency. Now make sure the number matches your intended coverage and payroll setup. Step 5. Review effective dates. Now before saving, Gusto will ask you to choose an effective date for the changes. Now you can make it effective immediately or align with a future payroll cycle. Step 6. Save changes. Now just click save to confirm the updates, and Gusto will automatically sync the new deduction amounts with your upcoming payroll runs. Step 7. Notify the employee. Now if the changes impact take home pay, now it's good practice to notify the employee. Gusto doesn't automatically send an alert, so you may want to follow up with a quick message. And that's it. Updating benefit deduction in Gusto is quick, flexible, and integrates smoothly with payroll. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked the video. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.